Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguide.realty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a private and nurturing community here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. Now we are going to tour you through this well-designed home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features.
Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of 270 square meters and a lot area of 216 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 4 bedrooms, which is made up of 3 bedrooms in the second floor and a den in the ground floor. It has 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a second floor family hallway, an open living and dining area, an oven, cooktop, and rangehood already included in the main kitchen, a master walk-in closet, a lanai and patio area, a service and laundry area, and a maid's room. And all of this in a secure and peaceful community that's excellent for jogging and biking. Now let's begin the tour.
Let's go! Upon entering the house, you have a garden space on your right and a spacious 2-car garage on your left. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The living space welcomes you to an open plan concept design, which includes the living and dining space in one entire area. And you already have ventilation because you have easy access leading to the second floor through your staircase here. You see that you have a provision here for your own unique lighting depending on how you want to interior design your house. The entire living space has large windows which already has a screen. And you can see that from your living space, you can open it up and make it larger through your den space. So let's take a look. The ground floor den is a great extension of the living space such that you can make this a movie room, a playroom, or even a home office. But if you want, you can actually convert this into another bedroom. And your bathroom will be the bathroom here on the first level, which we will take a look at later. But there are many possible uses for this room. Now let's head out. And from these sliding doors, you have your main dining area. Your dining area is differentiated by the wooden design of the ceiling, so you can see that this entire space is the formal dining space of the house. You can have a table here that can easily fit 6 people, and you can open this up to a patio space. Your patio area is a great extension of your dining space. You can make this a great coffee nook. You can walk all around the house from here. You even have bamboo plants which make it very cool even in the afternoons because the sunset is coming from this side. And if you take a look here, you have a really nice patch of greenery throughout the side of the house leading to the front of the house. And from here, let's move back in and take a look at the main kitchen. The main kitchen is thoughtfully designed. It has this really nice U-shaped marble countertop that you can actually use as a showcase kitchen space. You can do a lot of cooking here and have guests over here, and you can have a couple of stools here. This is your space for your refrigerator. You have a lot of pantry space stretching across this side of the kitchen, and you already have a Rangehood, a cooktop, and an oven, which are Kuchen branded, so they're all included already with the property. And from here, you have your stainless steel sink leading to an access door to your service area at the side of the house. Let's take a look. This is a nice and clean auxiliary kitchen space. You can use this area for very heavy cooking or barbecues outside the house. And you also have a space here. You already have plugs here that you can use if you want to have your washing machine on this side. So you can potentially have a small covering over here after you purchase the house. And you have a nice patch of greenery leading to the front of the house and the driveway. And if you look over here at the side, you have access leading to your patio space and dining area. Now let's head back in. So here's a quick recap of the ground floor of this house. You have your open plan living and dining space with a den which can be converted into a first bedroom. You have an open kitchen leading to an auxiliary and service area outside. And you have these large sliding doors which lead to an open patio space. And the house has really nice greenery. You can walk all around it. And over here, you have the first bathroom, which is actually the bathroom that can be used by the den space if you want to convert it into a bedroom. You see that you can convert this into a bathroom because it already comes with a shower area. Now it's time to take a look at the second level of the house. Let's go. On an added note, the stairs are very easy to climb. They're not steep, and you have this large window letting in a lot of natural light. You even have really nice cove lighting here. So you can have a nice chandelier or a light fixture on this part of the property. Now welcome to the second level of this house where you have a family hallway space. The family hallway is a great second living space. You can have a TV on this side, and you can have a nice big couch over here, and you can imagine your family or your kids enjoying themselves over here while you're entertaining guests downstairs. And you have a provision here if you want to have your own unique light fixture. And from here, let's take a look at your master bedroom. The master bedroom is a corner room facing the east side of the property. So from here, you have a nice view of hills in the horizon, and you even have enough space here for a large king or queen sized bed. And it's facing the front of the house, and it's very cool in the afternoons as well because the sunset is on the other side of the house. From here, you have access to your master walk-in closet and bathroom. Your master walk-in closet is spacious such that you have two areas where you have built-in cabinetry. So it stretches all the way to the high ceiling. And on the other side, you even have a nice display area over here for bags and other important items, and you even have a dresser space. And from here, you have your bathroom area. You can see that you have elegant large format tiles and a tempered glass shower enclosure. When I was walking around this property, it made me think that this is perfect for number one, families who are coming from a condominium unit that's 2 to 3 bedrooms and want a bigger space. Number two, it's also excellent for families who are coming from a bigger house and you want a house that's more manageable but it's still within the city. And third, it's also excellent for families who are actually based from outside Metro Manila but want to have a house here in Metro Manila that's very also easy in terms of management. And those are some of the families that we think are a great fit for this property. Now, from here, let's take a quick look at the second and third bedrooms here in the second level. Let's go! Nice! The third bedroom here, I'm saying this is the third because we're counting the first dense space as the first bedroom, is a corner room. It's very well lit. You have a study table area over here, and it's spacious enough to have a single bed or a slightly bigger bed over here. And there's more than enough space because you have built-in cabinetry and your own bathroom. One of the great features of this property is it's almost at the top of a hill, so it's very well ventilated and elevated. So it's quite breezy here in the afternoons. And the fourth bedroom over here is also once again a corner room. So it has almost identical size as the other room, and it also has a study area and built-in cabinetry on the other side. There. And it also comes with its own bathroom. We hope you enjoyed this brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in a peaceful and nurturing community in Quezon City. Now let's check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number there. You can also message us on Instagram and follow us on Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this brand new, charming house and lot for sale located near Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.